ba? Maraming Pilipino ang hindi alam na may iniinda silang sakit until it's too late. Here's the good news. Most diseases are preventable. Ako nga pala, si Dr. Anthony So, and today, I will tell you about the 10 most common diseases in the Philippines and how you can avoid them. Did you know heart diseases, diabetes, at ibang lifestyle diseases are among the top most common cause of death sa Pilipinas? At madalas, huli na nating nalalaman na may sakit na pala tayo. Bakit? Dahil sa unhealthy lifestyle. Kulang sa tulog, stress, processed food, at kulang sa exercise. Pero hindi natin kailangan dumating sa point na magkasakit bago tayo kumilos. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are the 10 most common diseases in the Philippines and what causes them. Number 1, hypertension due to stress, processed food, and lack of exercise. Number 2, diabetes due to excess sugar intake, obesity, and lack of physical activity. Number 3, heart disease due to poor diet, high cholesterol, and paninigarilyo. Number 4, stroke caused by high blood pressure and poor circulation. Number 5, TB or tuberculosis caused by airborne infection common in crowded areas. Number 6, asthma triggered by pollutions, allergen, and genetics. Number 7, kidney diseases due to poor hydration, hypertension, and excessive salt intake. Number 8, liver diseases galing sa alak at fatty foods. Number 9, pneumonia caused by bacterial or viral infection. And last, gastritis or acid reflux due to stress, spicy food, and poor diet. Sounds alarming, right? But the good news is, we can prevent these diseases with the right lifestyle choices. Ito ang paraan para maprotektahan mo ang iyong sarili at ang iyong pamilya. Una, eat real, whole foods. Less fast food, more fresh foods. Prioritize fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meat, and fish. Second, stay active. A 30-minute walk daily can make a difference. Number 3, manage stress. Too much stress equals high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease. Breathe, relax, and take time for yourself. Number 4, stay hydrated and avoid sugary drinks. Water is life. Avoid soft drinks and excessive caffeine na nakakasira ng kidneys. And last, boost your health with natural remedies. Aside from eating healthy, natural superfoods like barley grass can support your body's healing and prevention processes. Barley grass is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, enzymes, and fibers. It helps regulate blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, improves digestion, and detoxify the liver. No wonder, even doctors recommend it as part of a healthy lifestyle. And of course, always consult your doctors. Prevention starts with awareness, but regular checkups ensures na hindi tayo nahuhuli sa ating kalusugan. Sabi nga nila, health is wealth. Pero tandaan natin, your body is the most priceless possession. So take good care of it. Kasi sa huli, hindi pera ang magpapahaba ng buhay natin. Kung hindi, healthy habits. So, anong next step mo? Take action today. Eat healthy, stay active, and boost your nutrition with Herbal Nation Barley Grass Juice Powder. Your health is in your hands.